Hello friends, have you noticed your car idling rough, misfiring, or struggling with acceleration? If your check engine light is on and your scanner shows P0267, you're dealing with a fuel injector circuit low voltage issue in cylinder 3. This could lead to poor fuel delivery, power loss, and even long-term engine damage if ignored. But don't worry, in this video we'll explain what P0267 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. P0267 is a fuel injector circuit low voltage code for cylinder 3. This means the fuel injector is not receiving enough voltage to operate properly, leading to insufficient fuel delivery and engine misfires. Common symptoms of P0267 include the check engine light being on, engine misfires especially in cylinder 3, loss of power and rough idling, difficulty starting the car, increased fuel consumption, and a strong fuel smell from the exhaust. Ignoring this issue can cause severe engine problems, so let's find out where the problem is coming from. To diagnose and fix P0267, you need to check these key components. Cylinder 3 fuel injector, which is located on the intake manifold or cylinder head, depending on your engine type. The fuel rail pressure sensor, found on the fuel rail and responsible for regulating fuel pressure. The fuel injector wiring harness, which runs between the ECU and fuel injectors. A broken or corroded wire can cause low voltage. The engine control unit, ECU, located in the engine bay or under the dashboard, managing the injector voltage, and the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors, found near the engine block and timing cover, helping control fuel injection timing. A fault in any of these components can cause low voltage in the injector circuit, triggering P0267. Common causes of P0267 include a faulty or clogged fuel injector, damaged fuel injector wiring, a weak battery or alternator, a faulty ECU or a bad fuel rail pressure sensor. If any of these components fail or malfunction, the ECU may reduce injector voltage. Alright, so how do you fix the P0267 code? Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Inspect and test the fuel injector for cylinder 3. If it's faulty, you'll need to replace it. Step 2. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor using an obd2 scanner. Step 3. Inspect the injector wiring harness for any broken or corroded wires. Step 4. Test the battery and alternator to ensure they have proper voltage output. Step 5. Scan and reset the ECU software if needed. Step 6. Finally, clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. Now, some final words. P0267 can hurt your engine performance and fuel efficiency if left unchecked. Fixing it early will save you time and money in the long run. Want to learn more about fuel injector issues? Check out these next videos. P0213, Cylinder 3, Injector Circuit Malfunction, and P0214, Cylinder 4, Injector Circuit Malfunction. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.